Cookie Monster, Ghetto Twink. And, well, I don't know. I really didn't plan this out. I just kind of started the video. Why does it keep doing that? And then, I just kind of started the video. I really didn't plan it out. Like, I really didn't know what I mean, I didn't plan it out. I don't plan out my videos, but I just didn't know what I was gonna do. And then I just started. Yeah. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I will find out in a second. What? You're still here? Oh, just don't look. Well, here, it's me, and you don't know what I'm saying, you will. Well, you'll know soon enough. See, there you go. Tom Clancy's Hawks demo. Okay, campaign. What should my call sign be? Get. Well, let's do this. I've never flown an airplane before, but I sure as hell am going to. Woohoo!
We're going to push this aircraft to the limits. Artemis Global Security is in the business of defeating enemy armies anytime, anywhere. To do that, we've got to fly harder and better than any other pilots in the world. This aggressiveness is what's going to make Artemis a leader in the PMC industry. Modern warplanes have computer-assisted maneuvering systems designed to prevent dangerous loss of control. These alpha limiters keep the bird in the air, but they also prevent the pilot from performing radical maneuvers that can give him the upper hand in the dogfight. Today, we are going to deactivate the limiter and familiarize you with the assistance off maneuvering. Before we can disengage the alpha limiter, we need to gain some altitude. I don't want you stalling out close to the deck and turning us into barbecue. Pull into a climb and grab some sky. When we reach safe altitude, we'll go over disengaging the limiter. Alright, let's get started. The first thing I want to go over is how to turn the alpha limiter off and on again. During missions, you'll have the option of switching the system off when you need a momentary edge in combat. Then switching it on again. We call it off mode. Catchy, huh?
Okay. Hold on. Just gonna do something real quick. Hey, join my friend's party.
Turn off your limiter and let's get to work.
Switch between us.
Okay, turn your limiter off, Crenshaw. We've got work to do.
Assistance
Very
off.
nice. Try cycling the limiter off and on a few times.
Assistance on.
You got it, son. Okay, turn your limiter off, Crenshaw. We've got work to do.
Off.
Okay, so far so good.
Whoa.
You've learned how to turn the limiter on and off. Now let's try a little piloting in off mode. I'm going to disable your limiter switch for this next exercise. For the time being, you're stuck in off mode. All right, ready to try something potentially fatal? We're going to explore the perils of flying in off mode.
Holy crap,
Your
I'm
plane
scared.
drops below a
I'm
certain
gonna
speed,
crash.
it will lose aerodynamic lift. Know what happens then? Go into a stall. The plane becomes unresponsive, falls like a rock. Got that? Good. Now I want you to slow the plane down and put it into a stall. Then you'll recover from the stall before we hit the ground. Altitude check's fine. Now, reduce speed until you lose lift. All right, this is high enough. Kill your speed.
Oh god.
Throttle. Now, roll the plane over and pull back on the stick. Get your speed up, Crenshaw. We're running out of altitude. You think you might have cut that one a little close, Crenshaw?
Yes. I'm sorry.
Okay, Crenshaw, you managed to stall the plane without getting us killed, which is a good thing in my book. Now you need to familiarize yourself with killing others while in off mode. There are drones in the air up ahead. Engage and destroy them in off mode. These drones are stationary, so you shouldn't have any problems taking them out.
Oh yeah.
Okay, that's a kill. Good shot. Stay focused. You're doing great.
Okay.
That's 2 drones down.
God, I
Not
should be
bad.
an airplane driver when I grow up. Okay.
Looking good, Crenshaw. Keep going.
Boom.
One more in the bag.
Holy crap, it was like 5,000 millimeters away. Dude, look at it, it's so pretty.
Stay focused. You're doing great.
And boom. What?
Okay, 1 drone left.
Okay.
Take it out. Looking good, Crenshaw. Keep going.
Boom.
That's a hit. Not bad, Crenshaw.
Yeah.
Now we're going to launch some combat UCAS. Don't worry, they're not armed, so they won't be shooting at us. These drones are highly maneuverable. You'll have to push the plane to its limits in order to get a shot at it. Using the side slip maneuver at the right time during a turning dogfight.
Oh my god, you gotta be kidding me.
Let's see you do it.
God. Stop going up! No! Stop doing that! Ah, I suck. You know what? For America.
Nose down, throttle up. Do it fast. Get your speed up, Crenshaw. We're running out of altitude.
Sorry.
Nose down, throttle up. Artemis Trainer 1-0. This is flight control. Come in.
Well,
1-0.
Ghetto Twink saying, have a good night!